Today, we're looking at a breakthrough in pet tech called Petalas. This isn't just a self-cleaning box. It's a fully automated water wash sanitation system that uses AI to track your cat's health. It's designed to move feline hygiene from manual labor into the era of smart home living. For decades, cat owners have been stuck in a loop of scooping and masking smells. Most smart boxes just move the waste around. This gadget changes the game by using the simple physics of water. Think of it like a miniature high-tech toilet for your cat. When your cat steps inside, high-precision sensors detect the activity. Once they leave, the device initiates a full-cycle water wash. Fresh water fills the tray and a spiral impeller agitates the area. A comb-shaped scoop then glides along a U-shaped track, pushing the waste into a dedicated crushing chamber. Here, the waste is pulverized and flushed away through a drainage system. Because the entire process happens in a sealed water environment, there is zero dust. Since the waste is literally flushed out of your house through a sewage outlet, the odor is stopped at the source. There's no stinky drawer to empty later. After the wash, the tool activates a hot air drying system. This removes moisture and stops bacteria from growing, keeping the litter fresh and dry for the next visit. But what about the litter itself? This system uses special round, soft pellets made from materials that are safe if accidentally ingested. They are gentle on paws, and thanks to the washing and drying cycles, they are completely reusable. One bag can last for several months. In fact, less than 5 grams of litter are consumed per use. If you travel or just hate the weekly trip to the pet store, this is a massive win for your wallet and the environment. The most impressive part, however, is the AI health tracking. Detecting kidney disease or urinary issues in cats is hard because they hide pain well. This product creates what is called a pristine collection environment. In a normal litter box, urine gets contaminated by old waste and bacteria. Because this tool rinses and dries the litter every single time, your cat always starts with a sterile surface. This allows the AI to capture pure data. The sensors monitor elimination behavior and frequency, turning that data into easy-to-read wellness reports on your phone. If you have multiple cats, the smart ID system distinguishes between them automatically. It tracks each cat's trends separately, giving you professional-level insights without a stressful trip to the vet. It's peace of mind delivered right to your app. If you're ready to retire the scooper and truly understand your cat's health, this might be the biggest upgrade your home has ever seen. If you found this deep dive helpful, please give us a like and share this video with other cat parents. Don't forget to subscribe for more look-ins at the latest pet tech. You can find the link to this product in the description below. Thanks for watching.